This month, we're making something to put in our Operation Christmas Child boxes. I'm so excited. Let's see what it is.
Hi, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth. I'm a children's minister and the co-founder of Parent Road Ministries. We want to see kids living for Jesus. In this series, we'll have mission projects and hear about real missionaries. Links to the full playlist and related resources are in the description below. Let's get started!
Okay, Bubby, let's see how this project
If you're
works.
looking for something cute, simple, and useful to make with felt, today on Craft to Care, I'm going to show you how to
Ooh,
create
those are
these
cute.
colorful felt pouches.
This should be really fun. Bubby, you gonna say hi to the camera? This is my dog Conlin. Everybody say hi. These kits will be available for pickup in the church lobby, at the upcoming events table on Sunday mornings or on Wednesday nights.
I'm Diane, and I'm so
Hi,
glad
Diane.
you're here because this is one of my favorite projects to make with felt. You just simply take a 9x12 piece of felt and basically fold it and stitch it a little bit.
Stitch it.
And
Oh, if you
end
don't
up
want
with
to do
this
the
great
needle and
clutch
thread,
that
then
you
we
can use
have
for
hot
so
glue
many
gun.
things. So let's
This looks
get
really
started.
cute. The
On
kids in
need
Operation
is
Christmas
some
Child are gonna love these.
9" by 12" pieces of felt. You need
So
some
the
buttons
felt
for
and the
embellishments.
buttons and Velcro
Some
will be
Velcro. I
included in your
used
kit
sticky
that you
back
can pick up
Velcro,
on
so
Sunday
there was no
mornings
sewing
or
involved.
on Wednesdays at Mission Ignition.
You'll also
And this
need
video
a pair
tells
of
us what to
scissors,
do.
some thread and a needle for stitching up the sides, although today I'll be using a sewing
Remember, you
machine.
can also use a hot glue
need
gun.
a glass
The needle
or
and thread or
plate,
hot
something with a
glue
rounded
is not
edge
included in the
so you can
kit.
round off
But if
the
you
edges
need
of your
access
pouch
to
if you
those,
would
let us
like
know at the
to.
church office. We'll
You'll
get
also
you hooked
need
up.
a glue gun for gluing on some of the embellishments, and you can use the glue gun for gluing the sides of your pouch and not need to do any sewing. And you might also want to use some pins to pin your felt in place when you're doing the stitching. Now you'll take your 9x12 piece of felt and just fold that bottom edge up, leaving about 2 inches at the top. That will then
makes
fold
sense.
down. Now I'm going to round those top edges. This is certainly an optional step. You
Oh,
don't
that'd make
have
it
to
look
do
really
this. So we're going
cute.
to get that glass plate, whatever you have, and just draw along there just to simply round off those edges.
sweetie.
And then we're going to just cut them. Once those edges are cut, we're going to put down that flap again. And now we're going to pin it.
Be
This
real
is where
careful
if
with
you'd
those
like to pin
pins.
to
They
make
hurt
sure
if
it
you stick
stays
yourself.
in place before you sew it. That's what I do because I have a tendency to always shift things around and then they're not straight anymore. So now for this part you can just use a needle and thread and stitch up the whole side like I've done on this one. Stitch all on that side.
We have folks that can
Or
help you
can
stitch
use
if
a
you want to
sewing
learn
machine,
how to
which is what
sew.
we're
We
going
have
to
some
use
folks
today.
that can help you with that.
So I'm just
Or you
gonna
can use
stitch
that hot
all
glue
along
gun
that
to
side,
attach the
just about a
sides.
presser foot width from the edge of
Yes, sweetie. You
the
see it?
pouch.
Isn't this cute?
Just
This is
takes
what the
a
kids are going to
second,
make.
stitch right up to the edge where it's folded over. We're not going to stitch on that top flap. And then
Yeah,
we'll
don't
stitch down
stitch the
other
top
side,
flap, then you can't
starting
get into the
where
pouch.
that flap begins. Stitch down to the bottom. And then our pouch is basically finished except for putting a little bit of Velcro so we have a clasp. I did use the sticky back
love
Velcro
that
so I
stuff.
don't have to do any sewing. So I like to cut 2 little pieces. I cut mine at 1/2 to about 1 inch in size, and then I put one on either side.
Oh, then it'll be
I'm
nice
going to
and
put it on that top
close
flap
well.
first.
Sweetie, I can't
And it
watch the
doesn't
video
matter
if you
if
keep
you use
moving
the hook
around.
end or the more fluffy
Here,
end
let's
of
go
the
this way.
Velcro. I
Say
try and keep
hi.
the same side of the Velcro on the flap
I
and
know,
then the
sweetie.
same side on the bottom, so I line that up.
All right.
and
All right,
stick
she's
it on
lining up
there,
her Velcro to get the
and
pouch
then the pouch can
closed.
stay closed. Next, we're going to put a little button on there. The button is not obviously used
Buttons are
since
so
we have the Velcro, but it
cute.
just looks cute with a little button
I
on
think
there
the
as an
kids that
embellishment.
get our
So
Operation
we're going to
Christmas
stitch
Child
the
boxes
button
are going to
on
love
there
these
just a few
pouches.
times up and down with our thread, and then knot it off on the underside so you don't see the knot there on the button. So I'm all done putting the button on. Then we're going to decide what do we want to put on the front just to embellish
this
it,
is the
make it a
fun
little
part.
brighter. It's certainly finished the way it is, but if you want to brighten it up, I'm going to cut out a little green heart today.
me too,
So
puppy.
just take another piece of felt, cut out a little heart,
Aw, that's cute.
and then all we have to do with
You can
this
put
is take our
whatever
glue
you
gun
wanted on there. Make it,
and glue it right
look like
on
you, a
there.
gift of love
Now we've
from
done
you to the kids in
flowers
Operation
and
Christmas
circles
Child.
and all different kinds of things. So whatever little embellishment you want, whatever color you think is going to look nice, and just stick that on there, and your pouch is done.
Yay!
Thanks for joining me today.
Remember that you can turn in your finished pouches in the box in the lobby at the church, or you can turn them in on Wednesday nights at Mission Ignition, and we'll make sure that they get in the kits for Operation Christmas Child boxes, which will go out next month. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Audra for helping choose this craft and figuring out what we can do, and I look forward to seeing what you make. Say goodbye, Bubby. Say bye-bye. Thank you for joining us today. I'm a little camera shy. See you next time.